Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you're watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand it solely to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in 1 hour time frame. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures found stiff resistance here at the levels of $5.393 when we found a sharp sell-off from the levels of $5.594. Natural gas futures tested this high on September 16th but shortly found a sharp selling here, and finally, the natural gas futures started to remain under selling pressure on September 16th, and once again the natural gas futures started the day from the levels of $5.393. And here you can see that how the natural gas futures started to slide on September 17th and continued this downward move up to the levels of $4.929, where it found some support, and from here once again a small upward move was there up to the levels of $5.164. But here you can see that how a sharp selling was there, and once again the natural gas futures tried to find a support at the levels of 4.929 and continued to struggle here in a small range, and finally continued the slide on September 21st, when the natural gas futures tested a low at the 4.738. So friends, here I find that the natural gas futures look ready to repeat the moves of September 17, because here I find that the natural gas futures could not test this level at $5.393 despite a gap up opening here on the first trading session of this week. Natural gas futures started the day at the 5.343 and tested a high at the 5.373 and a low at the 5.341, and currently trading at the 5.351. So friends, here I find that this seems to be evident enough for the presence of peers above the 5.348. So here you can see that how currently the natural gas futures have been trading well at a decisive juncture, as here you can see that this was the level from where the natural gas futures started this slide on September 17th, from the same levels where currently the natural gas futures are trading. So friends, here I find that shortly we will see a steep side from here, because we have seen first signal of exhaustion here in an hourly time frame. So friends, here I would like to go short from the 5.359, where my stop loss will be 5.594. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures find a breakdown below the 9 days moving average within next few hours, we will see a sharp slide to continue up to the psychological support at $5, and the next support can be seen at the lower end of Ichimoku cloud, which is currently at $4.943. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas is not able to defend this support, could continue to slide downward. Undoubtedly, there could be a bounce back from these levels, because the level of $5 could provide some support to natural gas futures in case of a sharp downward move. The natural gas futures could sustain amid this range, but here I find that the overall trend could remain bearish. So here I find that the natural gas futures could even test the levels of $4.726. So friends, this is my expected trading zone for natural gas futures for September 27th and 28th, where my stop loss level will be at the 5.594 and my entry point will be here at the 5.361. So friends, here I find that the natural gas futures could start this slide at 7 a.m. today, where I find that if the natural gas futures are not able to defend the immediate support at 9 days moving average, which is currently at levels of 5.262, here a breakdown below this level could continue this slide, where the next support can be seen at the 26 days moving average, which is currently at levels of 5.183. So friends, here I find that this this slide could continue up to the upper end of Ichimoku cloud, which is currently at the 5, where the Nikkei futures could find some bouncing move. But once again, if the Nikkei futures are not able to hold above the 26 days moving average, which is currently at the 5.183, this slide will continue on September 28th, where I find that the final target for the buyers could be at the 4.726. So friends, here I find that the risk reward ratio is 1:3. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.